Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, was it not uMaxele and her family were busy questioning whether uMusa usazala or what? Now today uMusa's making it seeming that the fact that baby Mel is here has shamed enemies. Which enemy or which people are you speaking about? Because I feel like he should come out and be clear and say, Wuti, I've shamed uMaxele and her family because they are the ones who were questioning whether ngiyazala. I'm just like, Musa. Yes, yet if it was uMakhumalo who had said something like that, he would come out and say, uMakhumalo wuye owethe in today because him and uMaxele are getting along very well. He doesn't take out uMaxele's name. Another thing in Mangazile, guys, is the fact that Umusa's even, like, this is such an important and a big thing for him. The fact that he has a child at this age. I'm like, oh, so people questioning whether uyazala is a big thing for you. Yet when you've been suppressing your wives about ukuzala, you've been putting uMakhumalo under immense pressure, stress, depression about indaba yokuzala. And uyabazi ubuhlungu of a person questioning all of that. Because uMaxele herself, guys, says she was put in or she was put through that pressure of saying yena, why did she come or she came to give kids? That 20 kids, guys, uMaxele, the pressure was on her. And that's why I say that I feel like uMaxele was cornered into taking Eastend, because that man probably said, because you can't give me this amount of kids, you have failed. So allow me to take other kids because, or to take other wives because this is my vision. I'm just like, this man's double standards. So it's fine for you to question other people's wombs and whether they bayakwazi and how far they can give birth. But when it comes to you, all of a sudden it's a touchy topic. Yeah, guys. Anyway, kuthiwa ingane kaSamke, the name is uMethuli. Some of us knew that. Angazi ke kuthiwa uMethuli uzomthula from iy'nkinga zonke. I'm like, ayibo, yaze yathwala idombolo ingane. Because I mean, there's so many issues uMusa Mseleku and his family comes with for the pressure to be put on the child like that. Anyway, let's pause it right there, guys. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.